Well, it's another day, another model, another unboxing. So we have the older Gemini Delta 757 in the widget colors, which is, again, as usual, something that I've been trying to get my hands on, and took a lot of searching. Wasn't many of those out there, but I finally did. So I got lucky on this one. Very, very happy to finally get one added to the growing widget collection that I have here. So let's go ahead and let's get her open. Take a look at it. All right. Yes. All right. Well, it's in good condition. Of course, gotta use, obviously. But of course, those days before, they actually had the antennas on the top, which I'm okay with. I mean, they're a nice addition, but it's not a huge deal. But let's see. Not too shabby there. No scratches, nothing dings or anything. Well, actually, a little bit on the nose, but not a big deal. But overall, looks really good. Always loved the widget right there on the right by the door. Something about it always liked that. But definitely a highlight of my collection, I will say. It's something I've wanted for, again, quite a while. But yeah, no complaints from me whatsoever. I'm extremely happy with this one. Again, really nice to finally add it there, and really I think just a couple more for the widget colors. Again, you get a 727, and see what else. That might be it really, but I'll take a look more. But yeah, definitely something that I'm very, very happy to have. This won't be leaving my collection anytime soon. But very good. Good job. This has been Gemini. I used to, had their quality control was much better at this point. But, yep. No complaints from me. I love it.